Hi folks, welcome to today's video, top 6 daily fix activities needed for herniated disc recovery. Now, I'm going to make a lot of good content for those folks out there suffering with low back pain issues, herniated discs, bulging discs, sciatica nerve pain, stenosis, lumbar arthritis, etc. If that's you, hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified when I make some new content, upload it for you guys to get you back on the road to recovery. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so I talk a lot about daily fix exercises. Now, I prescribe all these daily fix exercises or type activities to my clients. I just want to relay some of this to you guys as well. When you go to rehab, you might be going there for 2-3 times a week. They should give you some exercise to do at home, homework, which is daily work that you would do. Why do you have to do this daily work? Well, basically a lot of these injuries happen, low back issues, over a cumulative load, over a period of time where the load has been accumulating incorrectly biomechanically, which leads to low back disc herniation, low back disc bulge, sciatica nerve pain, etc. For you to retrain to get your body back into that good position requires you to do activities daily, okay? It's very easy to mess up the good work you do 2-3 hours a week at your physio with the other 160 odd hours of the week left. How you move, how you act, etc. can cause these problems. So I've got my top 6 here, daily activities for you that you should be doing, as what I call my daily fix, to get you back on that road to recovery. So, number 1 is walking. Yep, simple walking, okay? It is a really easy, low impact activity, gets the blood pumping, stops us being sedentary, gets us away from our work desks, etc. But it does help with low back pain issues. It does help with disc recovery, and it's something you should be doing every single day. It's got many other benefits, of course. Increase your metabolic rate and burns calories, okay? Helps us lose a bit of weight, which of course, if we are overweight, it will put extra stress on our backs. So we do want to encourage walking. That's my number 1 thing to do as your daily fix. Number 2 is McKenzie work. Now, Rob McKenzie, a very famous New Zealand physiotherapist, one of the things I advocate a lot of my clients to do is a morning McKenzie move. And quite simply, what it is, you get up out of bed in the morning, you go into this position here. There's various levels. I will link to a video, which is a beginner video for the McKenzie move, but you would start with 2 minutes, basically head in my hands, breathing like this, breaths. As you progress, you go into 2 fists, and then you gradually progress up into more of a Sphinx move, okay? But morning McKenzie for 2 minutes, one of my main daily fix exercises people do. Number 3, spine hygiene. What do I mean by spine hygiene? Well, I do advocate that you are moving correctly. So what you may know my website is called BASH Back Pain. Now BASH is an acronym. BASH stands for bracing, A, avoiding flexion before noon, S for support, H for hip hinging. And this is all based around spine hygiene. Again, I could have the best physio in the world. I go there for 3 hours a week. I'm doing fantastic work with them there, but I come home and I'm putting my shoes on like this, okay? I'm flexing my spine, I am rotating, I'm not picking up, I'm moving heavy objects, like I'm bending over to move them. I am not using good spine hygiene. So spine hygiene is all about learning to hip hinge, okay, flat spine, weights on my glutes here as I pick something up. It is about doing things like when I brush my teeth in the morning, I put my hand on the sink for support, takes the body weight on there, I brush my teeth. When I drive the car, getting a rolled up towel, put it in here to create a nice neutral spine. All those things are correct spine hygiene. I try to drill it home to all my people that I work with. It is my number 3 top daily fix exercise. Number 4, this is, I get many people do this as well, it's a plank, some form of core stability work daily. In some cases, many times throughout the day. The basic plank exercise, as I'm sure most of you will know, it can be on the ground, like so, like this. Now, you'll notice I don't have my spine extended. I actually tuck my tail, squeeze my glutes, and I tuck my tail under. This puts my spine into a more neutral position, engages the arms, the abs a lot stronger. But depending on where you are in the recovery process, your plank could be a standing plank. You could be basically standing off the back of a couch, like so, okay? Very basic beginner level plank. But I had one lady up in Sweden, for example, she was doing the plank 3 times a day. It was helping enormously with her lumbar arthrosis. So, number 4 in my spinal hygiene daily fix kit, the plank. Number 5, I'm a big advocate of decompression. How with the decompression that I sort of push across is the system of L-DOA stretching. Now I'm going to link to one of the most popular ones I use with many clients, which is for the L5-S1 region. It's going to link up at the end of this video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end and you'll be able to link up to that. Really specific, very useful decompression exercise, decompression work. Of course, decompression, you're separating the vertebra. It does help with, it seems to help in the literature anyway, with pain going down, discs healing, etc., getting nutrients in to the disc. So I get many of my people to practice this L-DOA decompression work at least 5-6 times a day, okay? Now, let's move on to number 6 of my daily fix, my top 6. Number 6 is leg work. So we often with rehab get very engaged in doing a lot of core work. However, in our daily life, we have to move on our legs, okay? Unless we're completely bedbound, you will have to do some movement. And I'm a big advocate of getting the limbs strong, because the limbs, especially the lower limbs, they do support the upper body. If we're weak in the lower half, hips, knees, ankles, etc., when we do something, we push a lot of stress up into that pelvic region, which is going to, of course, increase our pain, low back issues. So I'm a good believer in doing leg work, very basic leg work, basic step ups. Give a small step, you step onto the step, basic split squats, just with body weight, just to keep that lower body strong as we progress. So guys, that's my top 6 daily fix exercises that I advocate. Comments, questions, hit me up in the comment section down below. If you are struggling with your own back pain issues, don't be afraid to reach out to me. I help as many people as I can. You can send an email to me directly, comment down below. You can even book a free advice call if you wish with me. 45 minutes I spend with you guys talking about some of the things you can change, put into practice to help you get back that pain-free life. And I do admit sometimes it takes me a week or so to reply to emails, sometimes comments as well. I am pretty busy, but I do get back to everybody. All right guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.